Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we will discuss about how we can override order repository. So order repository, basically this is a by default module in Magento. So this video is sponsored by Cloudways. If you need good server, you can go with Cloudways. Also, I will explain about the benefit in the last. So we will override order repository. This order repository you can check inside of the vendor Magento module sales model and order repository. This is the path of the order repository. So I was working on one project, so I was getting some problems, so I thought need to make this particular of video, right? So this is a very simple process you need to do. What you need to do, this is the path, basically you can see like a vendor Magento module sales and model, right, order repository. So what I have done, same way you need to create a module, custom module. So we have a folder like app code real. So inside of the real folder I just created sales folder, and inside the sales folder, because we overriding model, so that's why I put it like a model. Inside of the model I have order repository.php. so you can see we have the order repository, and this order repository extending means overriding this particular of order repository, right? Same way you can do also. So also I changed something in my code because I need to override and I want to add something here, so that's why I just override, right? So here we have a model. Inside the model we have the order repository. Also before overwriting this particular of code which is the inside of the order repository, what you need to do, you need to register your module, right? So this particular of custom module we need to register inside of the registration.php. so you need to put like a I think so if you aware of the Magento, hope so you understand how we need to register, right? So we need to always register our module. So that's why I just created one file which is a registration.php. I just added this particular of code like this. Inside the code we have a real folder and we overriding sales module, so that's why I put it underscore sales, right? So this is important. Also after adding this file, you need to add module.xml. so don't forget to add module.xml because we overriding this particular of module, so that's why I put it like a Magento sales. And here we have the main module which we have real sales, so we overriding this particular of module and we have this particular module, right? So also because this order repository we are using for the web API, so that's why I created this one preferences, right? Preferences. So this preferences we path for, basically you can see we need to put the path which module we are overriding, right? Magento sales model order repository, and the type, basically this module we have, right? Real sales model order repository. So you need to define here, okay? And also inside of the extension I also added like a extension attributes, so like Magento sales API and this particular of modules we are using. So this is the process to override. And guys, if you have any other question in your mind and you want this code, so please put comment, so I will also give you this code if you need. Please, at least I need 50 comments so I can provide the code. Thank you for watching this video. This video is sponsored by Cloudways. In Cloudways, you can host your Magento portal. If you don't know how you can host your portal, let me know. Definitely I will create a separate video for you. So complete series also I will create. So also this video is sponsored by Cloudways. If you're looking good hosting platform, if you're facing any challenges with any different kind of platform, this is really good for you because you don't need to worry about all configurations. You need to set up within 5 or 7 minutes something. You can host your website. It's really simple as compared to any service provider, because you need to put something next, and you need to put some configurations. Your website will be hosted within 7 minutes something. This is the important features in Cloudways. Also, you have options to your website, your host to your website in different kind of service provider like AWS, like Google Cloud Computing, DigitalOcean, Linode, other platforms. So this is the key features. Depend on your budget, you can select DigitalOcean, Linode, AWS, or Google Cloud Computing. Also, you no need to worry about SSL certificate, because in Cloudways you will get free SSL certificate. Also, sometimes we facing problem in AWS, any other service provider, but here you will get 24/7 support. If you anytime you particular facing problem, you can get quickly. It's not about the any holiday something, because Cloudways providing 24/7 support. So this is the key features I'm telling you. You no need to worry about anything. Everything you will get in Cloudways. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.